many tugboats you got on there?
You don't know yet. The bow's just coming into view now.
I think there's 6.
Wow. Didn't I tell you we'd get here on time?
I was worried.
Shit. I done told you, boy. I got my shit together.
They waited till the tide was going down to actually get it to go with the current, but the problem is the wind is going to screw them up too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Tide and the wind.
Well, the tide's going with them.
Yeah, tide's up.
But the wind's like circling around, man.
Wow. It's a beautiful thing.
Yes, it is.
I watched it come up the river. Yeah.
So, did you hear about the guy from Australia?
Yeah, I didn't hear nothing about anybody from Australia.
He wants to rebuild the Titanic.
I wish somebody would do something with the USS United States down there at the docks because it's just sitting there going to hell. But they stripped so much off of it now, I don't think they could do that. I think a few years ago they sold a couple of the propellers to get money to store it there, and that just wrecked the whole
And they had a special on TV about that too, and I saw it. But
yeah.
everybody reneged on it. All
They
of
were
a
going to
sudden.
make it a hotel with restaurants too, and I mean,
They already reneged.
it was supposed to go up to New York shipyard, and it just never made it.
Oh, yeah, I never heard that.
Is that a bird?
Yeah.
Woo.
About 2/3 of it.
Oh, yeah.
One is attached to the side, or supposed to be attached to the other side.
Yeah, man, it's very cool.
Oh God, yeah. I just think it's amazing, man. When all them guns were pointing to one side or the other, and they shot me. That thing just about rolled over on the side.
Hey,
Appreciate you. Thanks,
glad to
man.
be in America.
Oh, yeah, man. It's awesome, man. It makes you feel proud, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, there's supposedly one or two of them attached to the side, actually doing the driving. I think they're on the other side of the ship. Because this side here was up against the dock, and when they spun it around, they had the attached ships were on the other side. The next coolest thing would be to see that thing underneath the wall. Look how close it is. If the tide goes down, you know.
Yeah. And that's a good thing to see.
You see, sir?
It's dry out.
You can get over into the Navy Yard and actually get up close to them because I've been over there and seen the aircraft carriers when they have the doors open. 2-lane highway going in and 2-lane highway going out. That's how much stuff they put inside those things. That's just amazing.
Which aircraft carrier are you talking about? Saratoga?
I don't know which one's over there, but it was over there last summer. And you could drive right up to it. You could have to stop to watch the vehicles driving in and out, unloading and loading, man. It was just unbelievable.
Because I used to work for the DOD. And I remember when the Saratoga came here.
Yeah, I'm talking about there was an aircraft carrier. I think it just pulled in to get loaded and unloaded.
Yeah.
That was like last summer because I go over there every year.
Yeah, that wasn't Saratoga then.
Yeah.
It was a newer one.
The aircraft carrier that's in the Navy Yard is the USS John F. Kennedy.
Is that the one that's
Get
in
out
town?
of here. They're still babies compared to what they got now, though. The Eisenhower.
Vincent, Nimitz.
Yeah, and then you got the Reagan.
All the new ships and all are just unbelievable.
Yeah.
What they have for the
They
new
got
ships.
some. If you excuse my language, they got some stuff.
They don't talk much about it, but I know they have it. The
Yep.
lasers and all they have now instead of shooting rockets is just amazing.
Yep.
What's amazing is now they got to stop before they get to the Walt Whitman, wait for low tide, the ship's got to sink. There was a big thing on last night. Right now, the hull is only a foot from the bottom, and they said they got to stop and wait to get to 6 inches. So they're 10 feet under
The way
the
they're
peak of the
moving,
Walt
the
Whitman.
way they're moving and the tide is going down. That's why they wait until 12 to
They're
pull out.
trying,
20, yeah,
they're
it's-
trying to get,
High tide was actually like 11.
You see it slowing down?
they're trying to get their stuff together to drain the river even more deeper.
They ain't gonna. There's so much shit in this river coming from upstate.
Yeah.
The last
sediment.
couple weeks, they brought in that largest freaking freighter they have
Yeah, like he's
to
down there.
unload. He was down there the other day.
They could never bring him up here. He'd get stuck. That's why it's high tide. She's a foot off. They were talking about last
So
night.
you
Navy
go
guy,
over- you go over
the
to-
naval
you go
engineer.
over-
It's a foot off the bottom right now, and then when it gets here, low tide will take it to 6 inches, and it'll just fit under the Walt Whitman. And then they have to wait for high tide after it gets under to
Get
get
back
back
into
into
the Navy
Paulsboro.
Yard.
And then go from Paulsboro across the 2 days and go from Paulsboro back to the Navy Yard.
I think about that. I didn't know they were doing a cruise ship boat.
Yeah, both of them
I would have signed up for that.
Look at that. That's
are.
beautiful.
$500 a day.
Look at that shit.
The boats are full, man. Especially that one on the back there before you get on the deck.
25-foot mast off the top just so she can reach it. And he said she has to go directly under the boat. The naval engineer said we got to go directly underneath. If we go 6 feet either way, that mast will be reach.
One side or the other.
Well, that'd make the news.
That's why.
That'd make the news, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Well, that's why when it goes under, they're shutting down traffic.
well, that's why the traffic's got to be shut down. Because imagine being on a bridge and the thing collapsing.
Yeah.
And then when nobody's standing there looking over, and then some idiot go, "Oh, I could jump on that." And there's kids today, so "Oh, I could jump on that."
Wow. Is
That
that
was on the news last night.
Great video.
Down there.
There's like TV crews all over the ship. They're making a big thing. There's going to be a big production about it.
Good.
But then once it gets to the Navy Yard, you can buy tickets to walk under the ship. It'll be the first time ever you'll be able to walk under the hull.
Yeah.
983 feet long, 75 feet wide, and 125,000 ton displacement. You'll be able to walk right under. First time under and look up at
And
the
it's
hull.
all metal. That's the
14
thing.
inches steel thick.
That's
the
what
hull.
messes me up.
14
They got the
inches of
metal
steel.
floating. They float metal.
There's only 4 of them left. Her, the Missouri, the Wisconsin, and the Iowa.
Okay. Oh,
Also-
the Iowa story.
And the sister ships. Yeah, the Iowa's out in Idaho.
Because that was the first one. It was
Yep.
the Iowa class.
Where's the Arizona at?
Arizona.
Pearl Harbor.
Pearl Harbor.
Okay,
In the water.
that's my shit.
Like with its crew.
That's,
There's only 40s class left.
yep.
40s battleships left.
But they don't go along. When they move, they don't go along. They got
wanna do is
submarines.
They're hoping they want to get rid of the Kennedy. I heard this engineer guy was saying they want to get rid of the John F. Kennedy out of Navy Yard, and they want the Kennedy family to take it up to Kennebunkport, Maine, where they vacation, and put it up there as a museum because it's named John Kennedy,
Yes,
and that'll free a spot in the Navy Yard.
yes, yes.
So far, they haven't raised enough money to move her.
Well, God bless you, man. Good to be American.
Yep.
Wow.
That's insane.
What's that on the way? Is that a bird?
Those are geese.
Yeah, they better get out of there quick because that's some big catfish. Let's snatch them up.
Yeah,